this video is going to be the luxury cream comparison. So we've got two of possibly the most expensive creams available here in Alberta. We've got Vital Green Farms Organic Heavy Cream at 52% and Avalon Organic Whipping Cream at 36%. They have nothing in it, just milk, cream, no stabilizers already added, no emulsifiers, no preservatives. They are expensive. $9 for this, $6.50 for this. 6 or 6.5, I can't remember. Let's see if their ice cream is any better than the Dairyland from the first comparison video. And we're doing the luxury cream right now. I'm actually filming this one second because the cream's about to go off. So in the pan here, we've got the same kind of mix, but I'll give you the numbers. It's 420 grams of 2% milk, 150 grams of the Vital Greens 52% cream, 100 grams of sugar, 16 grams of dextrose, 31 grams of skim milk powder, and 20 grams of cocoa powder at 10 to 12%. So we're just gonna get this all mixed up, and then I'm gonna add in the cream and get it in the fridge to chill down. The last luxury cream is Avalon. I'll go into more details about this in a bit. This one is 36% fat. So in here we've got 330 grams of milk, 205, what will be 205 grams of cream. Once I figure out the whole cup thing, I will probably just eat that. And that's it. Let's like last one, we're gonna get this stirred up, get this mixed together, and then we'll pop it in a container in the fridge to chill for a few hours. And then we'll get this one churned up as well and compare it to the Vital Greens cream. So, let's see. Talk about this in another video. Let's get it stirred and then we'll get it churned. First thing to note is this one churned much better, much better, much faster too. This actually churned in about 14 minutes. So considerably faster than the other creams. Obviously this is a luxury brand. We'll talk about the price and the difference later, but we're gonna get this one loaded up, get it in the freezer just to chill down properly, and then we'll see how it turned out. The luxury cream has an ice cream sticker, just so we don't get confused. In overnight, separation, you can see, quite normal for cocoa powder without any kind of, damn it, without any additional ingredients. We're gonna just recombine everything, a nice solid stir for a minute or so, and then we'll get this in the ice cream machine to churn. That one froze really hard very quickly. So this is in a much bigger container than the other ones. I will put a sticker on it. We're gonna go for something small so she won't get upset. Cherries, look. Cherries on the Avalon cream. It's gonna go in the freezer and we'll compare the two later. Luxury creams. So we have the one with the little ice cream on. Actually, I think it's a cupcake. This is the Vital Greens, 52%, Alberta-based company, and this one here with cherries on is the Avalon cream. Let's see which one's better. Two very different results. The Vital Greens is a much lighter colour, much smoother kind of mix. The Avalon cream is kind of dark, unusual texture. Don't know. Let's start with this one. Very creamy, as you'd expect. It's yeah, we're definitely getting somewhere. Smoother on the tongue, much smaller ice crystal formation. Probably higher in solids, somewhat because of the cream makeup, but does dull the flavour of the cocoa powder slightly. And at 12%, it leaves a greasy film on the back of the spoon. You can feel it as well. Which is likely because this is a non-homogenized cream, but we'll I'll get the tubs out of the fridge in a minute and we'll just quickly talk about them at the end. Avalon. Okay, it's just a surface. Underneath it's absolutely fine. Also has a slightly greasy feel to it. Not quite as creamy texture and taste as the Vital Greens, but it's okay. Slightly larger ice crystal formation in this one as well. None of these videos, these cream comparison videos, have any stabilizing at all because it's very difficult to buy it over here without going for commercial, and I just don't need that much. So I'm just going to wait until my special ingredient stabilizer gets here. It's in our boxes, still in Vancouver. I've messaged the company, hurry up and send our stuff, please. So, not as good as I was hoping, but certainly better. So, pop these back in the freezer and I'm going to get the creams out just so we can go through them one last time. Here we go. These are the two that we've just compared. Okay, so luxury creams. There's not a lot of choice over here. There's not a lot of choice back in England, to be fair. But heavy cream, 52%. Dairy Farmers of Canada, Vital Green Farms, 250 millilitres, nearly $9. 9 Canadian dollars. What is that about? Seriously, Dairy Farmers of Canada and Vital Greens, nearly $9. The 1 litre version of this is $22 in basically any store I can find. No one has it in stock. $22 for a litre of cream. I can't even describe how insane that actually is price-wise. I don't get it. You're doing less work on this. You're doing less work as a dairy farmer to produce this. Yet you're charging nearly $9 for 250 ml. Avalon. Here we go, look. This is this one. There's nothing in either of these. It's just milk, cream, that's it. But this one is 52% fat. This one I think is 36. Oh, come on, eyes. Does it say it on the front? Yeah, 36. This one is a little bit cheaper. I think this one was $6.50 Canadian for 250, maybe 250 ml. Again, $6. It's insane for something this small cream with a reasonable amount of fat on. Yes, this I think is organic. Yeah, it is. So, you know, that seems to give people the excuse to charge twice as much as they should. That will go for this one as well, yes. But come on. Really? I don't think at the moment it's worth buying these because it just costs too much money. And no one in their right mind is going to pay that much money for this. $9, $6.50 for some cream. So we need to find a better option. I was going to do this video, the luxury cream one, last, but as these were running out and I had 2 of each, I thought I'd do this second. So the last video is going to be the Lucerne brand. All right, these 2 I think are going to be, I hope, are going to be our saving grace. They're off the shelf, Safeway Sobeys, not really expensive, easy to get hold of, and they're not full of crap. So let's see how the last pair of creams get on in our Canadian Cream Conundrum series. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.